Toots, what you got?
Mama.
Yes, baby. Got your new bag? Oh, it was a hard day at work. I had to come home. The briefcase.
Mama.
Yeah, who's that? Who just walked in? Back up. There you go. Oh, a little more. Little to the right. Or your left. Oops. Back up a little more. Back up. There you go. Yay! So cute. Yes. Oh! Crash with Annie.
You going to your new drum grate with your dog and your bass pedal? Right, you want to have some cheese and crackers?
Snack time. Just finished lunch, but it's snack time. All right, sweetheart, I'm gonna turn off the camera, okay? So can you say bye-bye?